So Andy, in your book, when you're talking about being different as a business and standing out, one of the things that you cite as really important is the vision. So tell us a bit more about how a company gets to that.
Yeah, a characteristic one of 3D businesses, we say, is get that vision thing, and it's having this clear picture of the future that stimulates, excites and inspires. And the starting point is it's got to stimulate, excite and inspire the person creating it. I work with a lot of businessmen, particularly small businesses, that run around day to day, not actually looking at this picture of where they want to go. So get that vision thing is painting a picture of where you want to be, what will it look like, and it's not just about the numbers. And again, I often say that Martin Luther King didn't stand on Capitol Hill and say, I've got a strategic business plan and a cash flow forecast. You've got a dream. Now, clearly, you've got to have the numbers right, but we talk about painting a picture in terms of customers, in terms of people, in terms of the numbers. So if we were sat here in 3 years' time, what would be in place? What would it look like? What would it feel like? And the starting point for me is getting that set. So if it's your own business, then in your own head, what does that look like? If it's colleagues, if it's partners, if it's directors, it's making sure that there's a understanding that we're all going in the same direction. But then I think the key bit is getting people to buy into that. So it's not just hidden in the boardroom, it's shared, it's discussed and debated on a day-to-day basis.
So if you're a business owner, because a lot of what business owners do, isn't it, is they start a business because they're really good at Absolutely. Whatever it is they're good at,
Yep.
and they've got experience in that field.
Yes.
So if you're in recruitment and
Yep.
then you decide I'm going to start my own recruitment business because you're really good at it,
Yep.
maybe you've got a way of doing it slightly differently, whatever it is. How does that transfer then? How do they find the vision? Because often when I talk to a business owner, the vision is, well, I'm just going to do it really well.
Absolutely.
But,
I think for me it is, I sit people down and depending on the size of the business, but it could be, if we were sat here in 3 years' time and everything was just how you wanted it to be, what would that look like? So don't necessarily worry about how you're going to get there yet, but it's just painting that picture. And if that's 3 years' time, then what needs to be in place in 2 years' time? What needs to be in place in 1 year's time? What needs to be in place in 6 months' time, 3 months' time? Crikey, that's coming very quickly. So it's this whole idea of trying to have a destination and work towards it. As I say, the key bit for me very often is in getting people to buy into it. I actually see lots of businesses where, certainly in larger businesses, where it's, of course, I talk about sort of the cream that sits at the top of the coffee. It's just there, doesn't actually get drilled into the guts of the business. And that's not that everybody can recite the cash flow forecast backwards, but people have a clear understanding of what's expected of them, how they contribute to this. And a big one is how they're doing. How are we doing as a business to move towards it?
And how important is it? Because I always think with the vision, when I talk to businesses that I work with, I say, well, you've got to have a vision that excites you,
yes,
but it's also got to excite your customers as well.
Absolutely.
So how important do you think that is?
Completely. I think what we're seeing more and more is people buying into the whole ethos of the business and what it's about. So again, it's not just the product, I'm buying into the way they do business. And I think so what we actually encourage people to do is to share their vision with their customers and with their clients and their contacts. It's not keeping it secret, it's getting out there and saying this is what we want to do.